So, the full form of Nmap is NetworkMapper. It is a fast and reliable network and port scanner. It was created by Gordon Lyon. It was first released in 1997, which followed by getting better and better with each update till today. Initially, Nmap was built only for Linux. Then it was later ported to all other major distributions like Windows, OSX and BSD. So, here are some NetworkMapper highlights. It is fast and reliable network and port scanner. It is free and open source to use. You do not have to pay anything for using this software. It is powerful scanning, vulnerability analysis and exploitation tool which you can use for your web application pen testing and red teaming. It scans and enumerates network devices easily and quickly. Also, you can enumerate live host and you can do live host identification of any subnet. It is also used for banner grabbing and version detection of softwares, and also you can do exploitation of them if any of them is running on an outdated version. It is also used to perform port knocking and to identify the state of any port which is either open, closed or filtered. It has a powerful Nmap scripting engine which is used for exploitation of vulnerabilities. So who uses Nmap? Nmap is simple and powerful and can be used by who wants to do network device scanning. It is used widely by penetration testers, network admins and security auditors. Basically, anyone in person who wants to scan and detect vulnerabilities in own systems or some target machines can use Nmap. So basically, Nmap is a tool for everyone to use. A cybersecurity consultant, penetration tester, or a red teamer or a bug bounty hunter. So what can be achieved by Nmap? Security audits of firewall, open ports identification into any network, network scan and audits, network mapping, network inventory and asset management, vulnerability detection and exploitation, and host service uptime and monitoring by doing a host analysis of what are the live hosts. Thank you.